Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Asus ROG Phone 6D. Begin by opening Play Store on both and installing free app called Send Anywhere. When your app is ready, open it. In order to continue, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, select I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then close it by hitting OK. Nextly, click on Send at the bottom left corner of an Android and receive next to Send at the bottom of Asus. Also on Asus, pick one of those options for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then, after clicking Close this window, go back to an Android. You can finally select all of your files that you wish to send. You can do that by clicking on all of those categories available at the top. To choose multiple files at once, tap on those dots at the top left corners. In order to select only a few, just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, tap on Send next to Selected at the bottom to continue. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and choose one of those connection ways. You can connect by scanning this QR code. In order to do that, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on Asus. Then choose while using or only this time to allow camera access and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key instead by clicking on Input Key section, typing in all of those numbers in correct order, and then hitting Receive. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!